How to send GIFs in direct message on TikTok. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Further, go ahead and tap on the inbox icon from the bottom toolbar and then open the conversation with whom you want to share GIFs with. Now, tap on the message text box and you will see the GIF icon or the sticker icon there. Tap on it. Further, tap on the search bar you see there and then type in the GIF that you want. For instance, I will type in clapping GIF, and with this, as you can see, I have multiple options for clapping GIF. Simply tap on any of the GIF that you want to send, and with this, as you can see, the GIF has been sent. So this is how you can send GIFs in direct messages on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.